Elijah, look at me, baby. Baby! This is your first snowstorm!
Jacob can't walk because of
Blizzard won't not. He can't even stand up. Hold his hand, mommy. Hold his hand. Yeah. Come on, Benny. No, hold his hand. Oh, my butt is wet. He can't. Come on, baby.
Let's walk.
Come on. Woo! Hey, guys.
Can we make a snow?
Yeah,
What?
A snowman.
Elijah, stand up so we can see how deep the snow is. Don't eat it.
Jasmine, can you cover your nose?
Oh man, we should make slush.
Look at Jacob, look.
Oh, that's how deep the snow is. Hey, Jacob. Hey, baby. Look at Benny. Benny.
Boom.
Baby. Hey.
Kind of cold.
Come on. You want to go in, baby? Want to make a snowman, guys?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Mom, can you make me a snowball?
You want to look? Tell Jasmine.
Jasmine, can you make a snowball for
You're
me?
mad? He's probably cold already. Come on.